making an application is an important decision in your life, so make sure you know why you're applying for this course, why it's interesting for you, what do you want to do in the future. You have to really gather all the information available to you to make sure that you're making a well-informed decision. So here at Warwick Business School, you submit your application online, and you have to upload your undergraduate transcript, your personal statement and CV, and you have to give us details of at least one academic referee who we will contact on your behalf. So once that's completed, you submit your application, and that application is sent on to the recruitment team, who checks it against minimum entry criteria for the course. If you meet minimum entry criteria, then the application is sent on to the selection committee, and they make the final decision. Once this is done, an official email is sent to you, and hopefully it's an offer email that lists your conditions as well. We don't have a separate process for applying for scholarships, so every application is automatically considered for a scholarship. So personal statement is your chance to really shine, to really stand out, and you need to make sure your personal statement is tailored to the course that you're applying for. So make sure it's not generic, because the selection committee will know that. Ask someone to read your personal statement to make sure there's no spelling mistakes or grammar mistakes. That's really important. But try avoiding going on and writing pages of paper, because no one's got the time to read it. Usually we expect a page or page and a half of personal statement. We're looking not only for academically skilled and academically very good people, we're looking for well-rounded individuals as well. So it's important that you mention any volunteering or work experience that you've had. We're looking for change makers, future change makers, so people who will introduce a positive change in the society and in the world as well. So if you've got great ideas about your future business or future plans, make sure you mention that in the application as well.